Okay, so we have an Audi A3 3-door 1.4 turbo S-Line, sold by us previously 2019, just taken back in part exchange. 1.4 turbo petrol, service history and timing belt done too, just had the wheels refurbished in black. 88,900 miles, excellent condition, plenty of service history, distant pads have been changed very recently too. It's actually sold to an Audi specialist technician. It's his wife's car, it's well maintained. Got a mix of Audi and specialist service history. You can see lovely condition all round. Looks well having the wheels redone in black. Cloth and leather seating, excellent condition, S-Line embossed. Not showing any heavy signs of wear at all. Folding door mirrors too. That bolster there sometimes suffers with the high mileage cars, but nothing on that. And great in the back, flat bottom, multifunction steering wheel too. 88,907 miles. Okay, so sum up, 88,000 miles, 1.4 turbo petrol, previously sold by us. Service history and timing belt done, supplied with a full MOT. Take a look on the website for the pictures, which is idealtradecentre.co.uk. Contact numbers are on there, or please give us a call or message on either numbers on there. Landline numbers 01772 494 200, and I'm Lou. Thanks for watching.